The mother of Reeva Steenkamp has spoken for the first time about the moment she came face to face with Oscar Pistorius at his murder trial.
I wanted to see him and him to see me. I just felt that I had to do that. But he didn't look at me or anything. He just walked straight and looked ahead. The whole point was that he must see me, that I'm there. You know, I'm her mother, and you know, what happened to her was terrible, and I just wanted him to see me there, that I'm there representing Reeva.
June Steenkamp was in court to hear Oscar Pistorius plead not guilty, but says it was witness statements that made her break down.
You know, when they're talking about Reeva, what she went through and how she was traumatized, well, obviously you can imagine. She's locked in herself in the toilet, and she's been shot and she's in pain, and that's one of my things that I wish I could have been there to protect her, and that was my child, you know, that I gave birth to, and it's hard for me that she's dead, that she's gone. So that was the time that I broke down, you know, with the screaming, and then, you know, it was my child there that was screaming and was injured and, you know, dying.
Despite the tragic circumstances of Reeva's death, June says she now wants to forgive.
I'm not a person who hates another person. One has to forgive, and otherwise I will sit with all that anger and, how can I say, I don't want it to burn me up. It's got to go. It's got to let go of that anger. And one has to forgive, and we'll never forget.
Pistorius denies murdering Reeva Steenkamp, claiming he shot her because he thought she was an intruder. The trial continues.